afternoon, everyone. I'm Tina Mukherjee. I'm a faculty at INSTEM, which is a stem cell science and regenerative medicine institute at Bengaluru. And our lab explores, one of the interests of our lab is to explore how sensory perception controls the development of the immune system. And as all of us in the room would appreciate the sense of smell, because just before food, the sense of smell becomes extremely important for us to navigate through our environment for favorable and unfavorable conditions. What we in the lab have, through our work, have defined is something very unexpected, where in Drosophila, the sense of smell becomes extremely relevant for the formation of these particular immune cell types called the melanocytes. And what it turns out is that this is a wasp which is infecting a Drosophila larvae. And what it turns out is that when animals perceive the pathogenic volatiles from the environment, they activate a sensory crosstalk between the brain and the blood that primes the immune progenitor cells to make more of these, such that when infection happens, the animal is quite competent to mount an effective immune response. Now, what this leads us to is, which is very unexpected, that the animals are perceiving odors to prime immunity. So while we're interested in the lab to explore the conservation of this axis across other systems, what leads us to the question is, how have insects evolved as vectors for many diseases? Now, the insect of our interest for the project HFSP has granted us is mosquitoes, because what you would appreciate is that mosquitoes are drawn to mosquitoes are drawn to their host through sensing the different volatiles that we emit. And what is striking is that mosquitoes can sense a different host, be it a mouse or humans. And what has emerged in the course of evolution is that they were initially zoophilic, mostly attracted to animals, but with urbanization, they became more anthropophilic or started preferring humans as their preferred host. But with the onset of anthropophilic behavior, what is also seen is that they have become vectors for many of these diseases they transmit to humans. So the question that we want to ask is how olfaction might be connected to their development of the immune system. So this is the grant that explores the evolutionary connect between the sense of smell and the emergence of vector competency. That's the team, and the poster presents the work that has been done by these students in my lab. And what we hypothesize is perhaps volatiles from the host have evolved the immune system to be able to modulate their vector potential and consequently their odor perception. So what we do is prime the mosquitoes with different volatiles and then infect them and assess their infection response. And what we are beginning, this is just the first year of the grant, what we are beginning to see is that depending on the kind of volatiles that the mosquitoes perceive, they are either able to neutralize or not able to neutralize. So to know more about the work that we have, do visit us, do visit me at poster number 30. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.